a lovely Parsi joint in Mumbai called Britannia. I love going there. Then अड्डा तो नहीं बोलेंगे, बहुत ही फाइन डाइनिंग रेस्टोरेंट है ये, वसाबी ताज में जो है, दैट इज़ रियली माई favorite place. So all special occasions I like to go there. And third, if it comes to street food, I think Kailash Parbat ka pani puri is something which I love, which is again in Colaba. So yeah, when I want some comfort food, I land up there for some chaat and pani puri and stuff like that.
My favorite foodie adda is Akbari. मेरा favorite foodie adda है Akbari Gate, खासतौर रोज़ों के समय.
38 Barracks.
Favorite foodie adda with my friends.